We are constantly expanding the city boundaries, from the mountains to the plains, the desert to the sea. Installation is the basement of stability and reliability in VRF system. The traditional VRF indoor units need to be connected in series, and the wiring of indoor units on each floor need to be connected in reverse return method, which result repeated wiring, and it's hard to detect the error. Wiring mode. Multiple floors of indoor units wiring can be installed simultaneously. No need repeated wiring, saving consumables. Meanwhile, V8 supports arbitrary topology of communication wirings like tree, star, ring connection, and other wiring modes. It is impossible for misconnection. It adapts to different installation environments and achieves truly efficient connection. Through the restoration of distorted signals, it supports 2 core unshielded cables, has super anti-interference ability, not afraid of line interference from ventilation, lighting, and firefighting equipment, that making operates more reliably. Some of the indoor units in this system suddenly powered off. Ice and water leakage will occur. That will cause compressor failure and even break the whole system. Hyperlink chip is different from the previous design. Revolutionary multi-level bus precise timing management technology to make indoor units 220-volt power supply can be separately connected to the air switch in each room. Communication load technology enables communication lines to have high-quality power supply capability while transmitting at high speed and stability. Even if some indoor units suddenly power off, the built-in EXV can still be powered by the communication line, which can control the opening degree according to the system needs and avoid the failure caused by liquid return. One IDU is suddenly powered off. The communication signal will not be interrupted to ensure the normal operation of other indoor units in the system. Comprehensive 19 sensors with built-in data models for compressors, heat exchangers, EXVs, and etc. By analyzing sensor data in real time, it can sense the refrigerant status anywhere in the system. Any sensor fails, other sensors can automatically simulate a virtual backup sensor. The system can continue to operate without stopping. ACs in buildings face the challenge of adapting to different environments. For VRFs, many heating components are built in the electric control box, and the conventional heat dissipation requires it to introduce outdoor air for cooling. In sandstorm, rain, snow, and high salt environment, with air entrance, the dust, insects, moisture, and other impurities also enter the electric control box, which leads to electric control failure and system paralysis. Electric control box, built-in multiple temperature sensors, circulating fan, PTC heater, micro-channel refrigerant cooling, and other components. The special electric control ceiling design can prevent sandstorm, insects, rain, and snow from invading the electric control components. Refrigerant radiator. At low temperature, the heated ventilator raises the temperature of the cavity to avoid damage to components, allowing electrical components to remain at the proper temperature for stable operation. Buildings. The AC's failure will affect the indoor comfort and make it impossible to do business. In the past, maintenance staff were only contacted when the ACs broke down, which took a long time to repair and affected store operation. In addition to sensor backup, V8 also has multiple guarantees, such as compressor backup, fan backup, and ODU backup, which can challenge never to stop during operation and transmission of system operation data to the cloud. Through big data analysis, timely remind abnormal system condition, and they carry the corresponding spare parts to complete the maintenance at one time during non-business hours without affecting the normal operation of business. Through quadruple backup and proactive after-sales service, the V8 rewrites the after-sales process to minimize the average repair time for both sudden and chronic failures, creating the non-stop AC